Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Homestead Exemption in Dallas County. Start by confirming you meet residency requirements and gather your deed, valid ID, and tax account number. Then choose online filing at the tax office portal or prepare the completed application for submission by mail or in person. Keep copies of all documents and note the filing deadline to avoid missing your exemption. If you have questions, call the appraisal district for help. Start by compiling your key documents so filing goes smoothly. You will need a deed or current tax bill showing ownership, a photo ID that supports your Dallas County address, and the property tax account number. If mailing, include copies, not originals, and sign the application. For online filing, scan clear images and follow the portal prompts. Keep a dated record of submission so you can confirm the exemption was applied. On another note, if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are comfy and built to last so you can focus on home tasks, not blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by filling out the application carefully and double-checking name spellings and the physical address. Choose online filing for faster processing, or mail the signed form with copies of required documents to the appraisal district. Keep proof of submission and check your tax account online later to confirm the exemption posted. If the county requests more information, respond quickly to avoid losing the exemption for the tax year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.